Hello and welcome. Before I put COY back together again, I want to take a minute and show you around the most rust-free Delta I have ever seen. This car has been well prepared and beautifully painted, and it'll be a pleasure to build it up. Previous owner John told me this car had been owned by a tuning shop in Japan. The workshop became insolvent and this Delta was impounded for a tax debt and dry stored for several years before John imported it to the UK. You can see there that the rear strut towers have been reinforced. Tailgate was removed and completely stripped down before painting. Let's get started. I've drawn all electric wires through the tailgate frame. It just needs the washer pipe pulling through. This has a join as it leaves the car. If you struggle to get the wire past the strut bolts which stick out inside the frame, you can use the holes in the frame to get a better grip on the wire. There's a little plastic joining tube. Warm up the black pipe and push it over that tube. The paint was removed from the earthing point, and that's the earthing point installed. The wiper motor was fitted and wired up, and the washer tube passed through its hole in the tailgate. So let's see if it works. Yes, it does. I've got the tailgate lights working with the usual head scratching. The parcel shelf string brackets go inside the windscreen rubber. Those rivets are tough. I was careful not to scratch the paint. Next, I installed the backlights, remembering the single earth wire. With the brake pedal pressed, only the fog warning lights didn't work, and I know that this is a switch problem. After cleaning the lenses inside and out, I got onto the screws. Now these plastic top screws get brittle and the tops break off, so you have to remove the remains with a pair of pliers. I like to keep a few new screws in stock, so I was okay here. Just don't over tighten them, even the new ones, that the tops will snap off. The socket for the screwdriver also opens up over time. Well, that's all for now. My pursuit of perfection will continue. But thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.